Lobster.
Ooh.
Corn, Choritos, onion, and spicy noodles.
You're not videoing her.
No.
Better not be. I'm not. Sorry. How long do I have to rinse them? I think they're clean.
All 7 of them?
We're not drinking the water anyway, right? We're just. Oh! 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 Whoa!
Sounds like labor.
Clean the upper belly! Clean the upper belly! Okay. Accept your fate. Accept your fate. I'm so sorry. Okay, I think you're clean. I think you're clean. Ah! Okay. You're not videoing her. I feel like you are. You probably are. Yeah, that's cool. It'll be a good memory to have.